friends, welcome to our food journey of Gangtok at MG Marg. MG Marg is the heaven of tourists at Gangtok. Whoever visits Gangtok must visit MG Marg for foods, shopping or just hanging around. The street vibrates with the spirit of tourists around the year. Let's explore a few excellent budget-friendly restaurants of this area. Let's start with an awesome restaurant. Its name is itself awesome. Some excellent delicacies are available here, like fried ice cream, tandoori chicken momo, kolhapuri chicken and kadai chicken. The restaurant is little bit heavy on pocket. Next is momo.co. Its special items are jhol momo, hangover momo, Szechuan chicken momo, pork momo, etc. If you want to eat Italian or pizza, you may go to Baker's Cafe. It's Mu Kimchi, famous for Korean cuisine. Kimbap, seaweed soup, bulgogi set are famous here. It's Roll House, famous for its wide range of veg momo and roll items. These are few unique choices. TripAdvisor also recommends it. The Dragon Walk is famous for Chinese cuisine, and dragon chicken, chili paneer, crispy chicken also. You can try churbi momo, button momo, prawn momo, chicken cheese momo at Shuffle Momos. Just below the Shuffle Momo is Gangtok Junction, an excellent family restaurant. All these restaurants are very close to Mahatma Gandhi statue at MG Marg. Another excellent family restaurant is Rasoi. It's a veg restaurant, an unit of previously known as Blue Sheep Restaurant. You will get all South Indian and North Indian sweets at Lakshmi Sweets. If you want to eat biryani and tandoori items, then come to Biryani Bhai. It's just below the awesome restaurant. Our next destination is Taste of Tibet. We dined here in our previous episode of Silk Route. The chicken shafale and chili pork were excellent here. Near Gangtok Pantaloons is Gangtok Groove. Grilled fish and pork roast can be tasted here. Just opposite of it is House of Bamboo. Here you may try chili pork and honey potato chili. This is our hotel, Hotel White Mountain. It's near to MG Marg. We got this beautiful room of triple bed at Rs 2000. We had our dinner at Hamro Van Sagar. The meaning of Hamro Van Sagar in Nepali is our kitchen. Here we tasted authentic Nepali thakali thali, a traditional cuisine from the Khola Valley in Nepal. We noticed excellent decoration with spices and veggies of Nepal. It's located just the opposite side of Taste of Tibet. Now we have come to Hamro Van Sagar restaurant, which is just opposite Taste of Tibet restaurant. We have ordered chicken special thakali thali. We are going to taste pure Nepalese dishes here at Hamro Van Sagar. We have received our thakali thali. This is to be eaten with rice. This is brinjal pakora. This is black dal, which is local here. This is Nepali style chicken. This is ningro. Ningro is a type of wild fern. This is aloo ka sabji. This is churpi ka sabji. Churpi.
Type of cheese. Sikkimese cheese.
This is dry fish chutney. Salad. This is coriander leaf pickle. This is mulaka chutney. This is fermented soybean. And this is fermented sag.
And including dahi and ghee. So let's start.
In most restaurants, the rice is decorated in a circular way. But this is the first time in a restaurant I see that it is decorated in a square way. এটি হলো নিনগ্রো,
এক রকমের ফার্ন।
এটি হলো আলু এবং করলার সবজি। এটা চুরপির সবজি, চুরপি একরকম চিজ। এটা ড্রাই ফিশের চাটনি। এটা স্যালাড। এটা ধনেপাতার চাটনি। এটা মূলোর তরকারি। এটা ফার্মেন্টেড সয়াবিন। এটা ফার্মেন্টেড শাক। তার সঙ্গে আছে ব্ল্যাক ডাল, যেটা এখানকার লোকাল ডাল, নেপালের স্টাইলের চিকেন, ঘি আর দই। এটা আমাদের পুরো থাকালি সেট। This fermented sag is also called gunjuk. It tastes sour. আমার নিনগ্রো এবং গুঞ্জুকটা খুবই ভালো লেগেছে, তাই আবার অর্ডার দিলাম। The radish was half cooked and that gave it an excellent flavor. Interesting thing to point out, serve their food on conventional brass utensils. These are the locations of mentioned restaurants on Google Map. These are few restaurants we found near MG Marg, where you can get Bengali cuisine. Before we leave this paradise, this is our last visit to MG Marg, the next day morning. Good morning friends, now we are at the MG Marg. Yesterday it was very crowded, but at the morning it's not that much crowded. Here there is Nimtho restaurant where you can get pure Nepalese food. Now I am at the end of MG Marg. On the left side is Taste of Tibet, where we had lunch yesterday. On the right side there is Hamro Van Sagar, where we had dinner yesterday. A vibrant day starts. Agarwal's is another eatery where all types of South Indian and North Indian delicacies are available. We started our day with simple chole bhature and set out for Siliguri. This is Gangtok ropeway. You can enjoy excellent view of the city from this ropeway. We'll cover 115 kilometers today, reach Siliguri. Tourists and trucks are flocking into Gangtok. It's Rangpo. From here, we took left side to start our Silk Road tour. So along with Teesta River, we go forward. Lovely forests of dwars. These tunnels are being constructed. Soon, train will reach up to Rangpo.
So we have booked our river rafting. This is our car and this is the boat.
We are going to have a short trip of 30 minutes. We'll do river rafting in Teesta River. There are many places here where you can do river rafting. They charge rupees 3000 to 5000 for a boat. It can be done for 30 minutes or an hour. You should leave all electronic gadgets behind. They will carry our boat and us upstream. From there, we'll reach here again doing rafting. 2 professional rafters will assist us. This is not recommended for the people with weak nerves. There is every possibility of being thrown into the river from the boat during the rafting. But life jacket will keep you floating. It's thrilling. My father tried to feel the coldness and the current of Teesta River. in excitement.
We have just finished our rowing. It's an exhilarating experience. There are 2 jobs to do. At first, you have to kneel down, control the boat, and then you can row. The rowing is very amazing and you should come here. We have settled in the restaurant beside the rafting center for lunch. We have ordered 2 very nice thalis. Teesta River is flowing past the restaurant.
ये क्या है ये पिकल है और ये पोटैटो और ये बीन. ओके ओके.
On the way, we crossed 2 important bridges, Teesta Bridge and famous Coronation Bridge. These monkeys are waiting for the food dropped by travelers, but they should not be served food because it destroys their natural ability of finding food. Sikkim and North Bengal has such a charm that my mind retreats back to these places again and again. We come to know that at Sevok there is Bengal safari. There are lots of animals inside. This is the link. You will get all unnecessary information on their website. On the way to Siliguri, we crossed an important river of North Bengal, Mahananda. Finally, we reached Siliguri railway station. Just beside the station is Siliguri public bus stand. All the bus of long route are available here. From here, we'll catch our return train. We'll see you in the next episode of new series. Till then, bye. Please like, share our video, comment and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, feel free to write in the comment box. Bye. See you soon.